Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you a student who is trying to work on final year project, or you are a freelancer who is trying to like scrap some data online and also get lead, as in like lead generation, to go DM your prospective clients or respective clients? So I'm going to introduce you to 𝗙𝗏𝗏. So what exactly is 𝗙𝗏𝗏? So 𝗙𝗏𝗏 is actually just head over to your browser and just search for 𝗙𝗏𝗏, right? So 𝗙𝗏𝗏 is actually one of an AI tools whereby you can use it to search, scrap, interact, map, and do a lot of things on the internet. So now it's an API for you to share, scrap, interact with web scale at large, right? So, and it's power AI agent with clean web data. 𝗙𝗏𝗏 deliver across the entire AI agent, right? So now you can also see the second resource you're going to have, which is the 𝗔𝗏, right? So they have a community for developer. So once again, what is 𝗙𝗏𝗏? So it's an innovative API service for website scanning and scraping. So this AI model analyze websites, document, and knowledge base, so and turn them to a clean structured data in formats like HTML, Markdown, JSON, image, metadata, and screenshots, right? So now for the metadata, so these are something related to SEO, right? So to get started, all you have to do is just open a new tab, right? And when you get to open a new tab, you are going to put in 𝗙𝗏𝗏.dev, right? So as you can see on your screen, so which is spelled out 𝗙𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏.def, right? So now when you get there, you're going to see this beautiful landing page, right? So and on getting there, you can see the 𝗔𝗏 community. There has over 117 users, right? So and this is the feed input, so you can do well to scrap, search, and at the same time you can do well to map or crawl for any output on the internet. So and everything is going to give you within a few seconds, right? So you can see the skeleton UI here, right? And you can see it is also trusted by 80,000 plus company, right? So these are actually company of various sizes, and they are good company that have been doing well in the tech age. So the main feature here is that this is actually one of the first, so you can start scrapping today's from search, and also you can see the command prompt from Python to Node.js, CURL, and also the CLI. So you're someone who is a bit familiar with the Gemini CLI, right? So you can do well to integrate it and work on it with a project. So it is easily connectable to your AI agent, right? So things like the MCP, so you can also have access to it. So it is fast, reliable, and easy to integrate, right? So you can see its comparison with other companies like CURL, 𝗵𝗵𝗏, and some other tools like Beautiful Soup that is scrapping, right? So without further ado, let's just move straight into it. So now this is their community, as I said initially. So there are at least 117.6 thousand, right? So in terms of people who are contributors into the community. So now what we're going to be looking here is how to get the student offer, right? So you can look through their products in the menu, right? So you can see what it does, right, as we said initially, and for lead enrichment. So as a freelancer, whereby you'll be able to like scrap lead and get a quality lead, and also the AI tools which are as available across the MCP, right? Okay, so you can also see how 𝗟𝗏𝗏 use 𝗙𝗏𝗏 to power their 𝗟𝗏𝗏 AI. So now you can see the integration. You can integrate it with what? With your AI app builder, something like 𝗨𝗏𝗏, right? At the same time, it has the large language model like LangChain, OpenAI, and others. So it works in reference to their framework, and you can see it as it can be integrated as the workflow automation API anytime make, right? So you can see the MCP for your cloud code also, and something like Codex, right, which is actually known as the model content connect protocol, right? So now let's dive it into it. So this is the 𝗙𝗏𝗏𝗏/student program, right? So which is far different from the initial one we're coming from. So all you have to do is just put /student-program, right? Yes. So now when you get there, you're going to be seeing this beautiful landing page once again, right? So and you're going to be getting free credits as a student, right? So it's available for every student, no need for VPN, right? So for you to get what you're going to be getting, right, so you're going to be getting all you need is just your school email, right? So or any other things regarding you as a student, right? So which actually is giving you 10,000 free credits, full API access, and you'll be able to build whatever you want for your academic projects, as I've said initially: research, hackathon, and personal learning, right? So now who is eligible? You're eligible the moment you have an .edu email address, right, and you're enrolling into a college, university, or probably any other accredited program. And this is how it works. You need to sign up using your education email, go to setting and get it done. So now this is the student code, right, and it's valid for a little amount of time. All you have to do is just copy the coupon code, which is all in capital letter, as you can see, as I've copied it up, right? So and you click on get started, right? So now we are literally signing up, and you can use your Gmail for the registration. You need to use your student's email, as you can see here. So this actually is school in one of the best state university in Nigeria, right? So and just put in your password, right? So after you put in password, just make sure you click on create account, and you'll be able to create your account, right? So okay, so the password needs to be at least 12 character. So just let's try to minimize it over there. Okay, you 3.999. Okay, so I believe this should work. So let's create an account now. Okay, so it's loading up. So make sure the email you are using is very accessible, and you can do well to verify your account immediately, right? So for now I'm going to be copying the verification link right from the email. So let's just get over to it, open a new tab, and I'm going to be pasting the link very soon. Okay, so you open a new tab, then paste in the link. Yes, so after we get the link pasted, it's going to sign us in, right? And we're going to be having this onboarding screen, right? So as you can see, the URL has changed, whereby we have the _dev/onboarding, right? So our email has been verified, and we have what we already had subcredit claim. So now when you go over to their GitHub repository and you start it, you're going to have another extra credit of 100 credits. So when you join the Discord too, you are going to see it at the same time, right? So the same scope for the LinkedIn, subscription on YouTube, and also you can follow on X. Note, all these are something that are optional. So when you click on it, it's going to automatically verify you, right? But just make sure you do well to do the needful concerning that. So let's click on the LinkedIn, right? So just give a follow, right? As you can see, I'm doing, right? So let's click on the X, which is formerly known as Twitter, and let's go with the GitHub. Yes, so as you can see, they are all optional, right? So let's go with GitHub. Same with the Discord community, right? And the last but not the least is for us to go to the YouTube, right? So wherever I can do also like subscribe to the channel, right? So let's click on continue, right? So if you're watching this video for the first time, I believe you're getting access to it via YouTube. So just select YouTube, right? So and just click on continue. All these are optional, right? So you can do all to skip them. So here we have the TOS and the PP, which is the term of service and privacy. Just scroll down and toggle on the button. So we say I agree to the Firecrawl terms and conditions. So you can do how to toggle the second one if you want to receive product updates, right? So you can at the same time unsubscribe at any time. So I want to toggle it on. Yes, so continue. And these are how you can scrap your first website in regards to any programming language you are familiar with or you use, right? So okay, let's continue. So this is the team name, right? So for the team name, you can customize it, and at the same time you can add your team member that want to work with you. So now we have the plan, which is actually one of the final steps. So you can see this free plan. The free plan gives you 1000 credits for free per month, right? So if you exhaust the 1000 credits now, you're going to get additional credits by the month of June, right? So leaving you that you've actually exhausted all your credits for the month of May, right? So, and you can see through the other plan available, the one that gives you 5,000 credits per month, 10,000 100,000 credits per month, which is the standard. But let's just continue, right? So let's go deep into how we can claim our free 10,000 credits, right? So now you are on your dashboard now, and you can see you have an active API key, so you can see the integration, right? So across different platform that you can use. So the next thing is like for us to dive it into getting our credits, just go through this menu and click on setting, as you can see, right? So when you click on settings, right, so you're going to have this motherboard. So you have the same, click on billing, right, as you can see, click on billing, and we are on this current plan, which is a free plan that gives us 1,000 API credits per month, right? So now to apply the coupon code, you can see it here, so just paste in the coupon code, right, all in capital letter. There is no space, no other character, they are just letters, right? So the moment you paste it in, so the next thing is just for us to click on apply, right? So, and as you can see, I have to increase it, so click on apply. You can see this loading, so coupon applied successfully. So now when you get into your coupon history, you're going to see the student edu, the one we just redeemed, which is the 10,000 free, right? And you can see this is actually as of today, and this video is recorded from West African, Nigerian. So we have the onboarding bonus, right? So all the onboarding tasks we did, which are literally around following on LinkedIn, Discord community, and the rest, right? So it all amounts to 400 all in total, right? So that's actually this shows that we've claimed our our coupon code as a student. So now you can build from now. So now let's just try it out now. So let's select the 𝗪𝗏, right? So now we want to 𝗪𝗏 for this particular thing. As you can see, there are some other options there. So now on this source, what type of source do you want exactly? Where are you searching from? Do you want to search the web, the news, the images, right? So I already choose 2, and the option, so which gives you, it's a time based, you can select location that you want the search to be, right? So you might be in anywhere in the world and be searching for another demography or location, right? So now let's just type in and let's search for something. So we are going to search for top restaurants in Lagos, Nigeria. As you can see, while typing, the URL is also changing, right? So okay, Nigeria, and good. So now yes, so restaurants. Now let's search for it. So the searching is ongoing. Can you see this is just literally just few seconds, it's not up to a minute, and when you get it, you'll be able to scrap pages. Yeah, so now the first one we have comes from 𝗏𝗏𝗏, so you can do well to scrap the pages, as I've said initially, and it is updated as at what, May 2026, which is actually the same month this video is being recorded, right? So you can see some of the description that comes from it, so in regards to their rating, right? So the second one is another listing business in Lagos, right, as you can see, and we have the Instagram also pop up. So this is actually one of the reasons you need to optimize your Instagram, right? So, and we have some other business listing that also pops up at the same time, right? So that's all. If you love this video, do make sure you click on the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and do also click on the notification icon to get notified. Bye.